everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video, we're just gonna hop in real quick. It's gonna be a quick haul video, and I wanted to share with you this month's kit from scrapbookingwithme.com. And as always, I'll make sure to have links down below. And I'm just showing you the paper collection that came in the kit. And what I like about this one is it's actually 2 sheets of each of the papers. I mean, look how pretty the owls and the background. And normally a lot of people don't like using the 12 by 12 papers for cards, but that's how I started making cards when I first got into crafting. I got a lot of those die cuts with a view packs, and so the larger print doesn't bother me, and I look forward to using them in my sketch series. And then look at this one with the leaves. It's so pretty, and it's not like super thick paper, but it's not super thin either. It's a nice quality, like right there in between, just a really nice quality paper. And I love the stripes in the background, and there's a lot of solids, so this will be really fun pairing together and creating like a series of cards for fall. And I'm just showing you the different stickers, loving the scarecrow, the thankful banner. There's just a lot of different things on here. The coffee cup and the pie. I mean, 2 of my favorite things. You also get the spritz from Nuvo. That was the cocoa. It's a nice dark rich brown, which will be really nice for splatters, for extra details. We also get the Nuvo gemstones, and I don't know why, but the one piece has like a bunch of sticker on it, but I was able to get my gems peeled off and put in, and it's really nice because you get actually 3 different sizes in one container. So it's a mixture of these 3 sizes, which I'm gonna show you right here again, just so you can see. They have a nice size, a large, medium, and a small, which will be really nice to create little clusters on your cards or even your layouts. We also get these ephemera pieces, which also have frames in there. The one thing I like about Photoplay and their ephemera, they have a few loose pieces, which I'm going to try and pull out here. So we have the fall blessings, the really pretty, almost like a tag. That one was super cute. Little bunch of leaves to like jump into. And then you're a hoot. It's just the little things. But like even this right here, you have, I want to say it's like 2 different frames, an insert. This one has the tabs, more frames with the center sentiment, and then the 2 tags, and then the word fall, which you could create like a banner with. But it's very kind of neatly together, so that way it's not falling all over the place. So I like that. And then inside this bag, we had loose leaves that I think will work really great for accent pieces and a little added detail on cards or layouts, depending on what you decide to do, with the projects. Some have glitter in them. Some are just really pretty satin, like it's a soft color. Some have the stems, little like wire stems on it, so you can like mold or bend them up. I usually cut those off and just stick them in. And then we get the Hero Arts hues and the craft color. So this will be really great. You get 10 pieces of paper in the craft, and if you cut them in half, that'll get you 20 cards, which would make a very lovely set. Now the September kit, which I got as well, I just got this one in. I wanted to share it with you, even though we're in October. But if there's any pieces of this kit left, I'm telling you guys, you have to go get it because it is gorgeous. We got the Heidi Swap, the Amethyst Color Shine, which is a gorgeous plum purple. I don't know how to explain it. It's like a pink purple. It's really, really pretty, and I thought it would go really great with this paper collection because it has those hints of purple in different pages, and I really think it's going to work really well. So I'm going to just show you the paper through the 6x6 pad. They're single-sided sheets, but you get 2 of each. That's really pretty. And what I like about some of these, the ones where you just think like this one, I don't want to cut that up. You can make a 6x6 card and just do a slight trim on like the bottom and the top. Just a little trim. And the bottom and the top, the sides and the top. And, you know, create a really nice card front and just add like a sentiment or a stamped piece to it. It would be really pretty. And I'm trying to shake it up because on the bottom where all the pigment was laying, it looked more lavender, but up towards the nozzle, it's a darker color. So, of course, I sped this up, so it looks like I'm shaking the death out of it. But it finally did mix up, and I was able to turn it over so you could see a little bit. It was darker, and I think it matches those flowers really, really well. Okay, I'm going to stop shaking, but it's pretty. And then we start back over with the same patterns. And then the 12x12, I'm just going to turn it over so you can see it's just a larger version of what we have in the 6x6 pad. Really pretty. I just didn't want to open it and pull it all out. But you get 16 double-sided pattern papers in the 12x12. You get these large sentiments, which are gorgeous. I love the sentiment, the script. And then you get the flowers that match. Stunning. We also get the puffy stickers, which I'm starting to love on my layouts. So I'm sure they would be fun to use on a card too. So that's why I added them. And then the sentiment, the stamp set. What I love about it is that it has the big happy or the big awesome. And so you can layer it. You can say, you know, happy birthday, awesome wedding. You can make all kinds of cards with just that one stamp set. So if you're trying to build up your stash, this is a good thing to get as well, because you can do many, I forget what the word is I'm trying to look for, but you can use it for many occasions as far as your cards and stuff like that. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Here are the close-ups of each of the items. I'm going to have all the links down below for scrapbookingwithme.com. If you purchase anything that's not already on sale, use the coupon code TT15 to get an extra 15% off. That lets them know that you guys found out about them from my video. And they can see how much traffic is coming. So definitely take a look at that. Take a look at the joining us on the Facebook page. They have tons of different challenges that they have throughout the month and the weekend challenges. So definitely check it out, you guys. Thank you and have a great day.